Laibagasi Meekok Theebada Sanamahi Lainingbu Sakhangbinaba Manipur Rajya Sabha MP Sanajauba Laisembana Hauzik Sathariba Parliament Meepham the Pukhatkhre. Upper House ta MP Sanajauba Laisembana special mention oina Meekok Theebagi Thabakta Sanamahi Lining Chatpasingbu separate code Kalamama Haptuna Sakhangbinaba Wafam Pukhatuna House ki Pungning Singsin K. Haukiba kumja English singaniga kunithoigi August mangada Manipur Legislative Assembly na Sanamahi Lainingbu tokhaiba lining ama oina Sakhangnaba warep lauduna Register General of India amadi Census Commissioner of India da taksin khe wafamasi state asigi elected representatives singna warep laukibagi mathakta mitei maitai furupki miyoi singna matam kayagi mamangdagi tanduna lakpa dimane Ningsing bathok traba matamdagi hauna mitei maitai gi yumthong khudingda Sanamahi Lining latuna lakli haiba wafam MP na house ta thamke Meekok Theebagi thabakta Sanamahi Lainingbu tokhaiba lining ama oina Sakhangnaba CSO sing community leaders sing scholars sing lining thau Sanamahi temple board amadi Uttara Sanglen Sanap Konungi Maikaidagi Taksinduna Laklabasu Hauzik Fauba Tabakta Onthok Pidabana lining lambi asi chatliba miyoi singbu masak khangbidana leiri haike Mahagna high demography ki chab chaba masak ama khangbagaloinana cultural heritage ngak senduna constitution gi makhada piriba religious right fangnanabagi damak lining ase Meekok Theebada tokhaiba kalam ama haptuna sakhangbiba mathau tai hiramasiga mari leinana census ki authority da lengak na mathau taba thabak sing paikhatnanaba thaurang lokhat piu haina su house ki pungning singsin ke Panbayabadi Sanamahi Lainingbu Meekok Theebagi thabakta tokhaiba lining ama oina Sakhangbinaba Manipur Legislative Assembly na kumja English singaniga ani English singaniga ahum amasung English singaniga kulhumdoida warep laukiba laikrabani
The Manipur Legislative Assembly, through an unanimous resolution adopted on 5 August 2022, had urged the Registrar General and the Census Commissioner of India to include Sanamahi as a separate religious category. The resolution reflects not only the collective voice of states' elected representatives, but also the long-standing sentiments of the Meitei community, for whom Sanamahi is an indigenous and ancient faith with unique religious practice, rituals and cultural heritage. Despite repeated appeals from scholars, civil society organizations, community leaders and religious boards or authority like Lainingbu Sanamahi Temple Board and Uttara Sanglen Sanakonung etc., the absence of an independent enumeration code for Sanamahi has led to misrepresentation and a dilution of the religious identity of its followers. Thousands of individuals continue to identify with Sanamahi in practice, yet have no appropriate category to record their faith in the census schedule. Recognizing Sanamahi as a distinct religion would ensure accurate demographic representation, safeguard cultural heritage, and uphold the constitutional principles of religious freedom and identity. So I urge upon the government to include Sanamahi as a separate religion in the census of India and issue a clear directives to the census authorities accordingly. Thank you, sir.